If you've been watching the headlines this Tuesday, April 21st, you've probably seen that mortgage rates have ticked back up to a national average of 6.4%. While this rate bounce might seem like bad news, there is a massive silver lining for Virginia buyers that the news isn't telling you about today. As rates have climbed from their 2026 lows, the frantic bidding wars we saw earlier this spring have suddenly started to cool off. In Northern Virginia, the average days on market has climbed to 25 days, a nearly 40% increase from last year, giving you a level of breathing room we haven't seen in half a decade. In the Richmond metro area, we are seeing a similar shift. With home prices stabilizing at a median of $415,000 and nearly 29% of listings now featuring price drops, this means the rate shock is actually acting as a shield for you, keeping the looky-loose and the amateur investors on the sidelines while you negotiate. For our military families, the VA loan remains your ultimate edge today. 30-year fixed purchase rate still incredibly competitive near the 6.35% mark despite the conventional spike. If you find a home you love today, your strategy should be to negotiate for a temporary buy-down or a price reduction that offsets the higher interest cost. Remember, you are marrying the house but only dating the rate. You can always refinance when the market pivots in 2027. But you can't reclaim this high inventory once it's gone. Current data shows that 35% of Richmond homes are still selling over list price. But the fact that 43% are selling under list shows exactly where your leverage is today. Stop waiting for the perfect interest rate and start focusing on the perfect property while the sellers are finally willing to listen to your terms. To help you run the math on today's 6.40% APR and see which Virginia zip codes have the most price drops right now, make sure to download my Gravy app below. The app gives you the real-time tools to outsmart the headlines and build actual wealth, while the rest of the crowd is frozen in fear this April.